Why do we require hyphen D usage? By using hyphen D, we can separate Java files from the class files. We can separate Java files from the class files. We can separate Java files from the class files. We can separate Java files from the class files. In order to separate Java files from the class files, we will use the hyphen D option. Now, let us see one more example. Go to the class name C. I saved class name C in the December batch DEV. Let us compile with a hyphen D option. Select the address bar, type CMD. Trigger Java C command with a hyphen D. C.Java. Come to the classes folder. I can also come step by step. Go to the parent. Then go to the classes folder. Go to the parent, then go to the classes folder. In the classes folder, trigger Java command to run class C. Go back to src. CD space src. Retrigger Java C command. Come back to the classes folder. Trigger Java command. Go back to src. You can modify the Java file. This already I showed several times yesterday itself. Trigger Java C command. You can come back. You can come to the classes folder. Java space C. We can able to compile and run. We can able to compile and run very successfully. Now, a small example, how we can compile and generated a class file keeping in the December batch. Same C dot class, I have to keep in the December batch. Everybody. Keep in the December batch. How we can keep in the December batch? So please observe, this is the E drive. December batch DV. So here we developed C.Java. This is the classes folder. We developed C.class here. Now the question is how we can develop C.class in the December batch, DV, like in this particular location. Directly in the December batch DV or even in the E drive. How to develop class file in the December batch DEV or in the E drive Come back to the SRC. Trigger Java C command with a -d. Mention ... give a space. Give a space. Represents a parent to the current directory. My goal is generating class file in the December batch DEV. Generating class file in the December batch DEV. You need to generate the class file in the December batch DEV. How we can generate class file in the December batch DEV? Let's go for C.Java. Two dots represents parent to the current directory. Two dots represents parent to the current directory. Two dots represents parent to the current directory. Yeah, we are in the src folder. Please go to the src folder. From the src folder, please click on this. Go to the src, From the src, from the src, trigger java c command with a -d dot dot. Check it out in the December batch DEV. There is a C dot class. Let me remove. Let's rerun once again, everybody. Java C space -d space dot dot. Two dots represents parent to the current directory. Two dots represents parent to the current directory. Give a space. Mention C.Java. Mention C.Java. You can see the class file where it is generated. Dot dot represents parent to the current directory. Right from the day one we are seeing. Go to the parent. Trigger Java command. You need to trigger Java command from the place where class file is available. You need to trigger Java command from the place where class file is available. Let us see, everybody. Generating class file in the E drive. Generating class file in the E drive. How we can generate a class file in the E drive? From the SRC, how to reach to the E drive? From the SRC, how to reach to E drive? Everybody, please observe. From the SRC, go to the December batch DEV as a first step. Use dot dot. From the December batch DEV, from SRC. Go to the December batch DEV through dot dot. From December batch DEV, go to the E drive. Second step, again use dot dot. Again use dot dot. Dot dot slash dot. Let me show. Go to the SRC. Java command, Java file available in the SRC. Dot dot slash dot dot. You cannot mix 4 dots together. You have to use forward slash. Dot dot slash dot dot. Give a space. Mention C dot Java. Now you can check it out. The class file available in the E drive. Class file available in the E drive. In the E drive, in the root directory, in the E drive, in the root directory. In the E drive, in the root directory, in the E drive in the root directory. CD space trigger Java command. In the E drive itself, it's got developed. Can everybody understood also? Let us see one simple different directory structure. In the December batch DEV, everybody, in the December batch DEV, let me create one folder. So something like a DEV1. Everybody, in the December batch DEV, I created one folder with the name as DEV1. Assume. Please create the folder, everybody. Completed. No, mention only diploma. That is why I moved to the 19 and 24. That resume where it is? In which folder? In which folder? What is the name? Lavisha. Leave that one.
Don't complete, right?
I created one folder with a name as DEV1. Inside a DEV1, go inside a DEV1. Let me create a simple folder with a name as main. DEV1 in the December batch, then main. Let's see the directory structure. This is the E drive. December batch DEV. Inside this, there is a folder src. Folder classes. There is a folder with a name as DEV1. Inside a DEV1, there is a folder called main. This is our directory structure. How to keep compiled class file in the dev1 folder. C.Java available in the src. How to keep C.class in the dev1. How to keep in the main folder. dev1 is very similar to classes. dev1 is very similar to classes. But main, let me show how. Go to December batch dev src. This is our current location. Java C space -d space dev1. Go one step back. You'll reach to December batch dev. In the December batch dev, there is a folder with a name as dev1. There is a folder with a name as dev1. There is a folder with a name as dev1. Give a space, mention C.Java. Come to the dev1. Trigger Java command to run class C. Now, go back to src. Try compiling and keeping in the main folder Java C space -d space dev1/main space C.Java. dev1/main. Now check it out where class file is available. In the main there is a C.class. In the main there is a C.class. Please observe. We went to December batch, then dev1, then main. Likewise, you can refer So how to run? So go to the dev1/main, trigger Java command to run class C. Is not? Leave it. You texted a message. I also texted. He's not seeing that message. So this is how you can able to go back and come front, go back, going back and coming front. Come to the next one, everybody. Class name D. Save it as a d.java in the src. Save it as a d.java in the src. Again, it's a hello world program only. Try compiling and running. Go back to src. Going 2 steps back and src. Going 2 steps back and src. Trigger Java C command with a -d. I'll mention classes folder only, d.java. Simple hello world program. How many lines of output? It's not a one line, it's 2 lines. It's not a one line, it is a 2 lines. It's not a one line, it's a 2 lines. Not a one line, it's 2 lines. How it is 2 lines? You can say hello world in one line, blank line in another. Hello world is in one line, blank line in another. Hello world and a blank line. So totally 2 lines of output. Altogether 2 lines of output. 2 lines of output. So why we are getting 2 lines of output? We are using println. Println. This println is a combination of printing and producing new line, printing and going to the next 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 line, print and produce new line. After printing, it has to go to the next line. That is what the meaning of println. Println is a combination of print and go to the next line. Print and go to the next line. As soon as printing is got over, go to the next line. Yes, it went to the next line. After going to the next line, the total program execution got over. That is why next line is a blank line. Print a hello world in the current line, go to the next line. Print a hello world in the current line, go to the next line. What is there in the next line? What is there in the next line? It's a blank line. We are not producing, we are not printing anything. That is why we are getting a blank line. Please observe, println is a combination of printing and producing a new line. Println is a combination of printing and producing a new line. Sorry. Printing and producing a new line.
Today, we went to his house.
Then why he can't? No problem. He asked it that time. So println, printing and producing a new line. 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 Println, printing and producing a new line. Printing and then producing a new line. As soon as printing is got over, it is producing a new line. Let's see another program, class name E. I'll go for one more SOP. Try saving as a E.java. Totally two lines are there. Cursor, printing hello world in the first line. 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 Going to the second line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the second line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the second line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the second line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the second line. While cursor is in the second line, it is printing SOP of hello world. It is printing hello world in the second line. Once the printing is got over, cursor moving to the third line. Cursor moving to the third line. Cursor is in the third line. That is writer. Cursor is in the third line. But execution got over. Execution got over. Totally 3 lines of output. Altogether 3 lines of output. Altogether 3 lines of output. First 2 lines hello world. Third line is blank line. Come back to the SRC. E.java. The class is folder. Try running E. Totally 3 lines of output. altogether 3 lines of output. Come to the next one. Class name F. Let me go for ABC XYZ test. Save it as a f.java. Totally, you will be getting 4 lines of output. Println method. As soon as printing is got over, going to the next line. Println method. Once printing is got over, going to the next line. Once printing is got over, going to the next line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the next line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the next line. Printing in the next line. So what is happening? In the first line, ABC printing, going to the second line. In the second line, XYZ is printing, going to the third line. In the third line, test is printing, going to the fourth line. By the time of going to the fourth line, the total execution getting over. That is why fourth line is a blank line. Got it done. Totally 4 lines of output. Remember, println is a combination of printing and going to the next line. As soon as printing is got over, automatically going to the next line. Print ABC in the first line, go to the second line. Print XYZ in the second line, go to the third line. Print test in the third line, go to the fourth line. Everybody, ABC, XYZ and test. ABC, XYZ and test. Come to the next one, everybody. G class. I'll mention ABC /n XYZ. ABC slash n XYZ. In any programming language, slash n represents going to the next line. Slash n. Not only in Java, in any programming language. Slash n means going to the next line. Going to the next line. Slash n. Go to the next line. Slash n. Going to the next line. Slash n. Going to the next line. Slash n. Going to the next line. Going to the next line. First ABC printing, going to the next line, XYZ printing. Once the whole printing got over, automatically going to the next line. Totally 4 lines of output. ABC, 3 lines of output. ABC, XYZ, blank line. ABC in one line, XYZ in second line, blank line is a third line. That blank line is because of println. Println, as soon as printing is got over, going to the next line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the next line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the next line. As soon as printing is got over, going to the next line. Sorry. G class. But the class is folder. Try running G class. Totally 3 lines of output. Totally 2 lines of output. Sorry, 3 lines, 3 lines. Let's move to another program. Everybody, H class. ABC slash n, XYZ slash n, test slash n, 1, 2, 3. ABC slash n, XYZ slash n, test slash n, then 1, 2, 3. After printing ABC, going to the next line, printing XYZ, going to the next line, printing test, going to the next line, printing 1, 2, 3. Once this complete printing got over, it has to go to the next line because of println. The last one blank line you are getting. Come on, guys. ABC in one line. Slash n is there, going to the next line. XYZ in the second line. Slash n is there, test in the third line. Slash n is there, 1, 2, 3 in the fourth line. Once all execution got over, println. Going to the next line. Println. It is going to the next line. Altogether, 5 lines of output. It's this. Come to the classes folder. Try running. It's a class. Done, everybody. Come to the next one, everybody. I class. You can also develop println method without supplying anything. It gives a new line.
Maybe I have to take this paper
Yes.
to hold it.
Yeah, a lot of corrections are there and we need to analyze the logic.
Okay.
It takes more time. So println, everybody. So nothing is there to print. It produces new line. Nothing is there to print. It produces new line. Nothing is there to print. It produces new line. Nothing is there to print. It produces new line. Something is there to print, end. After printing end, it produces new line. After printing end, it produces new line. After printing end, it is producing a new line. Try compiling and run. You can print a blank line by using println method without supplying anything. Println method without supplying anything. There is one more method, jclass. Use just to print method. Print method, print method. Print method. It is printing in the same line. It doesn't have a bringing to the next line. Keep on print. After printing, stay back there only. Stay back there only. After printing, after printing, after printing, stay in the same line. So you are getting one line of output. Check it out, everybody. You are getting one line of output. Only one line of output. Single line output. Single line output. One line output. One line output. Single line output. Solve. Print method, it's only for printing. It's having only one feature. Only one feature. It's having only one feature. That is print feature. Print method, only one feature, no dual features, only one feature. That feature is printing feature. Only one feature, that feature is printing feature. Print, print. So keep on printing in the same line. It won't go to the next line. It won't go to the next line. It will not be going to the next line. In the same line. Come to the next one. You cannot use print method without supplying anything. This gives compilation error. This gives compilation error. You'll get a compile time error. Print method is only for printing something. You have to supply something. If you are not supplying anything, you will be getting compilation error. One error. Whenever compilation error is coming, class file will not be generating. Whenever compilation error is coming, class file will not be generating. Whenever a compilation error is coming, class file is not generating. If class file is not generating, we cannot run. We cannot run. This is the syntax error. This type of method is not available. Print method required something to print. You cannot supply no argument print method. You cannot use no argument print method. No argument print method not available. We get a syntax error, compilation error, class file not generated. You cannot run. You cannot run. There are some more print methods available. Those print methods you will come to know while covering strings. You cannot understand now. So just to practice println and print, we will continue in the next class.